Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing the right dart and stance. Heavier darts offer momentum, lighter darts give speed. Once you've picked 1826G that feels natural, inspect flights and shafts and tighten any wobble so release is consistent. Grip the dart where balance meets comfort. 3 common grips are pencil, fork, and fingertip. Make sure your elbow stays raised and your wrist relaxed. Position your lead foot toward the board at roughly 1.5 to 2 meters and settle your breathing before the first throw. Now you focus on aiming and a repeatable throw. Once done aligning your dominant eye with the target, draw your elbow back roughly 30 to 45 degrees and keep your forearm and wrist engaged but loose. You should move the forearm in a smooth, controlled arc. Avoid shoulder flinch. Release as your arm straightens and snap the wrist forward to create a clean trajectory. Make sure to follow through toward the board. This maintains accuracy and prevents premature drops. Finish by grouping your throws and correcting course. You score fastest by targeting triples, so once you see consistent patterns shift, aim a few millimeters rather than overcompensating. If your darts consistently cut right or left, check and tweak your grip pressure and wrist angle. Subtle changes often fix drift. Make sure to replace bent points or torn flights because equipment issues cause unpredictability. If throws wobble in flight, tighten shafts and recheck balance before continuing. Small fixes restore reliability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.